Alright guys, well we made it to Tri-County. We're running, I'd say a little bit behind. We tried to watch the weather a little bit. We got in some on the way over here. But our first video in a couple weeks. You know, we're sorry that we haven't been getting videos out there like we should be. But every time we get ready to go race anywhere here lately, we've been affected by the R word. I know I don't like saying the actual word, but it's been beating down on us here lately, and finally got a clear day to go do some racing. So we're here at Tri-County night, 2K to win, and we'll see what we can do. What you think, Cameron?
Give it a shot. I've been in the emergency room this morning.
Tell them all about that.
So I run over a stick and it got hung up in my lawnmower blade, and everything was off. I'm not stupid to leave it on and try to pull the stick out. I shut it all off. When I pulled the stick out, the blade was bent down, so it popped back up and went into my thumb. And I thought I was just going to get stitches, but apparently they have some really good medical grade glue, $1,000 a bottle. But they said I was good to race, I was good to go, so we'll give it a shot.
So post hot lap qualifying deal, we timed in 3rd out of 14, I think. So that'll put us starting on the pole in heat 3. So if we win it, we'll start 3rd in the feature race. So hopefully we can keep doing what we can doing and have a good starting spot for our feature race. So we'll get it ready, see what Cameron wants to do. What you think?
I just hope we can finish good, start good, finish the feature good. Well, we got a race in 2 weeks that I really want to do good at. It's at Outlaw, 5,000 to win. I really want to go there in one piece, and we'll see. after our qualifying run,
we ran into a little problem. Once again, same track we always do it at. I didn't put the gas cap on all the way. So me and Cameron rode around, didn't find it. And I got Cameron to drop me off up here at the entrance of 3. I just started walking around, walked into 3 and 4, turned back around and walked back down the back stretch. And Cameron and Mr. Scott found somebody that was going to go get us a gas cap, and he took him out of the truck and everything. Well, about the same time, I'm walking into 1 and 2, and the school bus comes by that's packing the track. And I just happened to, whenever he goes by me, I just happened to walk down to the middle of the track about where they was, and I looked down, and I luckily found the gas cap. So, yeah, interesting start to.
I messed up.
Yeah. But we got lucky with that one. Alright, so I'm going to try something here new tonight. I'm going to go up here to the front stretch of video. But getting ready to go up for our heat race. Heat 1's coming on the track now. I'm going to make my way over there, see if I can get a better video angle from there, because I know it's rough back here in the back stretch. But I mean, it's really tough to video here anyway. But I'm going to get up here and see how it looks from up there. We'll be rolling off on the pole in heat 3.
Here we go. Last race for a modified car. Coming forward. Flag will be out this time around for that.
So that wrapped up our heat. We started on the pole, held them off there, wound up winning our heat race. So therefore we will be starting 3rd in the feature. The feature's gonna be 30 laps, 2,000 to win. So we'll see what we can get in here and do. We can make any adjustments and go from there, see if we can get any better. Money. You know how they are like Days of Thunder? Whenever Cole was going around the track and he's like, what are y'all doing? And Harry's like, we're eating ice cream. Except Cameron's not going to pull off the track and try to beat me up. Alright, here we go. I look like I just ate a Smurf.
Yeah.
But it's pretty pretty good. It's called Cookie Monster. Y'all should try it if you're ever at Tri-County. Alright guys, so about that time, rolling off third. I'm walking up here now. Camera's already in staging, so get up here, get this video and see how we come out tonight. Wish us luck. Let's go get this thing done.
Watch the 6 and the 45, we'll bring them around. Looks like they're ready to roll now. All right, here we go. Line drive for green.
All right, guys. Well, started third. I want to say we dropped back to 8th. Got back up to 5th, and had to restart on top again, and got freight trained just like we did the first time on that first restart when we fell back. But the car was certainly better than 7th or 8th place finish wherever we got. We just got hung out there on top, couldn't get up back to the bottom, and I don't know what happened on that initial start. I had the flag stand blocking me. Well, what it looked like, the camera kind of got in there a little too hot. I'm not gonna point any fingers at anybody. We'll get Cameron's take in it, but I also know that we got pinched off as soon as green flag drops. So we're gonna see what Cameron says and get his take. But you know, kind of disappointing for us to start off our night like that, but you know, it is what it is. We got good points from qualifying and our heat race. We'll get down here, see what everybody has to say, and load it up, go from there. And also congratulations to Chase Holland on getting the win tonight. Him and Ryan were duking it out right there on that last few laps, so their video ought to be pretty good. All right, guys. Well, see what this kid's gonna do here. I thought he was gonna pop a wheelie with him, but made it to our gas station like always when we leave Tri-County. Old dude ripping on the 4-wheeler up there. But like we was talking, we said wanting the way we wanted our night to end. Started the night off great. Wound up finishing, what was it, 7th or 8th, Cameron?
7th.
7th.
Went back 4 spots.
Yeah, went back 4 spots. But you know, that's something we could build off of. We found a little something to work with. We come to the conclusion that we should not have changed what we changed.
Well, no, we should have changed, just not as much.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, I don't know if it, you know, towed it out any. We took a good lick to the right front there, but who knows? It might be fine. I'm not making excuses. It probably might have just sucked, but I know it wasn't as good as it was in the heat or the hot lap qualifying. But it is what it is.
But yeah, well, we'll get to work on it. We ain't gonna run next week, are we?
We did have some good times tonight.
Oh yeah.
Best timing we've had here.
Yeah.
We're 2nd overall in heat racing, right?
Yeah, we had the 2nd quickest lap out of everybody out of all the heats, and had the 2nd average lap time out of everybody in the heat races too. So that's something to build off of. We are about to get back to South Mississippi. Well, I mean, we're in South Alabama, but you know what I'm saying, about a 2-hour drive home. So we're gonna get on the road. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch y'all next time.